Hey guys, it's your girl Moya Loves and I'm back with another video. Basically today I went to Dollar Tree and I got some stuff for a Galentine's Day sleepwear game night that I'm supposed to be having on Saturday. So I know Galentine's Day is tomorrow, which is the 13th, but all my friends work, so they will not be able to come the day before, so they're gonna come the day after. So that's gonna be our Galentine's Day. So yeah, so we're just gonna have fun, drinks and all that good stuff, and games and music and drinks. And did I say drinks? So yeah, I went to Dollar Tree and I bought a lot of stuff. So basically I'm gonna just like, I'm not gonna show you guys all today, but yeah, I just came in from Dollar Tree. I picked up a whole bunch of stuff. Ooh, okay. Picked up a whole bunch of stuff and actually gonna go online to see like ideas for Galentine's Day. So basically this is just the intro. Tomorrow I'm gonna start working on the stuff. Yeah, pretty much. So asking that you guys please subscribe to my channel below here. Yes, click that button there and like it. Comment below, let me know if you have a business or anything like that. With this Galentine's Day, I'm gonna be giving away some products from Laura Body Treats, and I might be giving away 2 outfits from Body by Laura. So this should be cute. And like I said, it's a sleepwear theme, so you either have to have sleepwear on, a robe on, or lingerie on, whichever you choose, whichever that's your thing. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys. So as I'm setting stuff up, I'm gonna, like, you know, go through it and show you guys stuff. A bunch of DIYs I'm gonna do. Like, I have so many nice ideas. So yeah, so basically I just want you guys to subscribe. Just watch the video all the way through. Stay tuned for my Galentine's Day sleepwear game night. All right, so we're just moving stuff around. She just cleaned the bathroom and I'm blowing up balloons right now. So, and my friend Janelle, she's gonna wash the dishes for me. So, all right, yeah. I'm back. Hi. All right guys, so I'm just gonna start with these stuff and get back to you guys. She like using them though.
Are you putting the little things inside?
What?
You place the little circles and stuff inside, right? Or
It already came like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
I am not busting another balloon in my mouth, girl. That scared the mess out of me.
I've seen it.
You're like, ooh.
You like, you rocked back.
If I were you, I'd take caution.
So right now I am making my scrubs. So this is my aromatherapy, and this is the vanilla and lavender sugar scrub. So I'm just here making them. And then this is the cocoa shea butter. These going on here. That's it really. So guys, it is actually 7:03 and I'm still not dressed. Still working on getting this whole place set up. And this is the little photo area that we're gonna do. So all these cute balloons and stuff, but I'm about to get myself together right now. I'll be back. hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I have the honey here. Alright, then I have my pop rocks. Take that, open that. Put your pop rocks in there.
On the table with Janelle and Mommy's in the back making drinks.
Pop rocks.
Here's the table so far. I'm trying to get it situated with Janelle, and this is what it looks like so far.
Aromatherapy Himalayan body scrub. Also to moisturize those hands, the vanilla bean whipped cream and some of the famous romance body blend oil.
Here are your headquarters. Making a difference.
All finished. We set up and we're just waiting for the guests to arrive. You know that. But I'm even worse because I didn't even know time either. So I just got ready and it's actually 9 o'clock. So I set up my little Laura Body by Laura Body Treat Station here. You know, open shop. That's what we got going on. And then the food is cooking. We're not finished cooking yet. So as I said, we are late. So, yeah, this is a table with all the goodies. All the candy here. This is the treats. Snacks. You have the chips. Where's the liquor? Liquor is somewhere. So we're just waiting for the guests, like I said. Hopefully they arrive soon. You know, Janelle is in there, you know, getting ready. Greasing her scalp. And I'm about to pour me something to drink. And get this party started. So, once the guests arrive, we'll come back to you guys. This is my outfit. I have on the Wild Girl Leopard set with the sherry robe. You know. Really share and see through. So this is my fit. Janelle's gonna come out and show you her fit. Yep. My sister's gonna come up and show you her fit. Yep. So we're all Body by Laura out, you know? So if you haven't yet, go and check out the website, which is www.bodybylaura.com. And while you're at it, might as well go to the Aura Body Treats and go check.
Where the camera, girl? Oh.
Take off my jacket.
We'll take it off. And you need to show the outfit.
It's cold outside.
So we're all Body by Laura out. This is the cotton candy that the model Janelle is wearing. Look at her derriere. Jump, jump, jump.
Oh, the guests have arrived.
Hi. No, you're early.
Oh yeah.
I was like, I'm so late. We brought beer
Nice.
with cider.
Okay, sis.
How are you?
Literally.
Janelle.
Oh, okay. You know what this is?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Are we gonna be famous?
I hope so.
Is there a bathroom I could use, or did Janelle go in there?
Yeah, she went in there.
Okay.
Do you drink or you're not an alcoholic?
I drink a little bit, so I'll do some, and then I'll probably switch to just sugar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this is cotton candy. This is Wild Small. Mm-hmm. She's small. This is Wild Girl. Leopard. You know? Yeah. So I haven't named this yet. This hasn't been even on the website.
Yeah, I really love that one.
Thank you. This one is like really comfy.
It's super comfortable. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It's easy to sleep in.
Super, yeah. Comfy and stretches.
When you want to sleep naked, we don't sleep naked.
Basically.
Yeah.
Scrubs.
What's scrub?
I
Oh.
smell
Which
like,
one? Magic.
I do smell like magic. I need to know more.
Mm-hmm. So those are body scrubs. And
No, the
there's-
what's the tall, the one that was just oil? What is that one?
That's blend with body oil.
I'm
You guys
sorry?
do hard liquor? I
Yeah,
won't give you a lot.
Yeah, that's fine.
Salt in here. Any kind of salt? Mm-hmm. So you put the salt here. Usually there's Himalayan. And then your shoulders have lime. So what they do is divide the lime, take the shot, and you put the salt on it. Yeah, and then you go taste it. So now procrastinating. Okay.
Okay.
Now I just tastes a
I
lot
just
of
put a lot
salt.
of salt.
Yeah.
You got a lot of salt, that's why.
You know my pressure must be
But I
up.
guess
This is literally, I've been playing this song on repeat. Who is that? This is Coffee and Danny. But it's super cute. That one? Yeah. It's super cute. Like this, so it's a repeat. Oh my god. It's still there. It's still on.
I like that.
Let me see. Shut up. Or do you have it on night?
that
came out
cute.
really cute. That is so
Oh my
I
god.
can do.
Tag body by the order.
Yes.
That is super cute. You gotta redo yours.
Yeah, I gotta redo mine. I like this.
Namaste.
Right, let me know you.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that was cute.
Is it cute?
Here's the one I did.
Oh.
Oh! Airport standby.
A what?
Flip up.
Y'all better not be gassing it out.
Here it is. Wait, what biscuit is that?
Oh, I like that one.
All these are just
It's my pajamas right here. Oh my God.
Wait, what's like the filters?
That's good, right? You like it?
Yeah.
Garter.
A onesie.
A
onesie. No. Okay.
A horsey?
A hoopah.
A horsey? A hoorah is a
A hoopah. A zipper. A crotch. A crotch. I said a deer. Put it on this one, bitch. Right here, underneath me. You ain't made Play-Doh all day. Your nails should not be dirty. Your nails should not be dirty. You ain't no goddamn basketball players' nails ain't dirty. Don't put your slippers on.
We twins. Exactly.
You going on the Dickmobile? Not the same one. She got a different.
All right, say cheese for the thumbnail. This is for the thumbnail. All right. 5, 3, 2, 1.
We're doing it again.
One more. Come on now. Oh, what happened already? Like right here.
This is gonna be for like body color order. So y'all gotta say this is gonna be for body color order.